Welcome back. Today I thought I'd make a quick video showing the bike's first oil change after riding for an hour, plus sorting out a couple of other issues. But first, let's crack the sump plug and have a look. So the oil went in looking like this, and came out looking like this, which is exactly what I expected to see, as there was always going to be coolant trapped in the crevices. But now that the oil has washed it out and held it in suspension, the next oil change should stay this lovely clear cherry red colour. But while we're waiting for the last of the contaminated oil to drain, I'm going to move on to the next job, which is the front caliper. I need to strip it down as it seems to be binding a little, so the best thing to do is give it a quick rebuild to make sure it doesn't bind solid out in the woods, leaving me stranded. And just as quick as that, the caliper's rebuilt and ready to be refitted. Now, let's refill the sump with some nice clean oil. The last job on the list is to dial in the suspension settings a bit better, as the previous owner has it set up far too soft for my liking. But I'll only be able to do that when I'm out riding the bike. So I'll end the video here and crack on with the next project. See you all again soon.